बिरसा कृषि विश्वविद्यालय बीएयू का 44वां स्थापना दिवस बुधवार को मनाया गया। आयोजन के मुख्य अतिथि राज्यपाल सीपी राधाकृष्णन उपस्थित थे। वहीं विशिष्ट अतिथि रिम्स निदेशक व सीईओ डॉक्टर राजकुमार रहे। आईसीएआर आईआईएबी रांची के निदेशक डॉक्टर सुजय रक्षित भी मौजूद रहे। विभिन्न जिलों के 4 प्रगतिशील किसान समारोह में सम्मानित किया गया। पलामू के कपिल देव ठाकुर को जैविक आधारित एकीकृत कृषि प्रणाली, पूर्वी सिंहभूम के अमित महतो को बड़े पॉली हाउस में व्यावसायिक सब्जी अंकुर, चतरा के वीरेंद्र कुमार को सब्जी आधारित कृषि प्रणाली और बोकारो की संगीता देवी मुर्गी पालन के साथ व्यावसायिक सब्जियों और फलों की नर्सरी के लिए सम्मानित किया गया। विश्वविद्यालय के सेवानिवृत्त शिक्षक व कर्मी भी सम्मानित हुए।
Today, our leading agricultural university, one of the prime university of Jharkhand, one of the growing prime university of India, we are celebrating 44th Foundation Day, Bhagwan Birsa Munda Agricultural University. I am really proud and happy to participate in that. Their performance is improving every year. This year, their presentation of papers, their research, their concentration of the seeds are really outstanding. As we all know, our Jharkhand is predominantly an agricultural economy based state. So agriculture institutions have to take care of the farmers' interest. Farmers' interest means irrigation and good seeds. They are concentrating, and we are encouraging every aspect of agriculture. And slowly but steadily, our Jharkhand Kisan should move towards the modern method of agriculture to improve their revenue, to improve the productivity, to have a very comfortable living. They have to slowly but steadily convert towards the modern scientific agricultural methods.
Sir, what measures being?
But sir, most of the senior faculties here talked about the issue of lack of teachers, professors in the varsities.
Yes, I am continuously moving with the state government for creating one separate Jharkhand Public Service Commission for selecting the teaching and non-teaching staff of our state universities, so that the recruitment will be made on merit oriented. So the another 25 years we need not worry about. I am doing that.
Sir, what measures are being quality of education for the Birsa agriculture?
Quality of education is improving. We are just cleaning up all the administration flaws. Administration is getting straightened up, and we are trying to remove. We want all our university to be zero from corruption. Zero corruption should be there. Then everything we are insisting on them. All the academic calendars should be printed in advance. Every semester should take place on the right day, right date, and every result should come on the exact date, and the certificate should be given to them without any delay, so that going for further job opportunity or further education will be much easier for them. And we are talking to the state government. Any community certificate is required that should be delivered at the campus itself.
Sir, coming back to the NEET, sir, don't you think that 4 lakh students deserve justice in this?
See, India is a big country. We want to avoid the mistakes. Sometimes, beyond the control, some mistakes do happen. And we have to address the genuine grievances of everyone. And those who are guilty should be punished. And Jharkhand is the one state where the paper leakage has been taken so seriously, and life imprisonment has been prescribed, and a huge penalty has been prescribed in that law. So strong law has been announced by this central also. Now I hope this type of mistakes will not happen in the future.
Sir, one last query.